Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing about surgical closure and some of the flaps in brief. Okay, let's start. Surgical closure of OAF, when we will do when the size of perforation is more than 5 mm. Okay, this is some sort of things I have sorted out, like according to location of OAS and OAC and OAF flap used. ठीक है, अगर लैटरल और मिड एल्वियोलर है और सफिशिएंट वेस्टिबुलर डेप्थ है तो वी कैन यूज़ बकल फ्लैप, बकल एडवांस फ्लैप और बकल एडवांसमेंट फ्लैप एंड पेडिकल सब एपिथेलियल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू फ्लैप. ओके, in molar and premolar region, if sufficient vestibular depth is there, we can use grafts like bone graft, free mucosal graft, subepithelial connective tissue graft, buccal fat pad flap or anteriorly based palatal flap. These can be used when vestibular depth is sufficient. And if it is not sufficient, then palatal flap is used. Okay, in third molar region, we use palatal rotation advancement flap, buccal flap combined with buccal fat pad, palatal pedicle flap or pedunculated subepithelial connective tissue flap, and edentulous case we use Moxear flap. Okay, these are the categories we can use, flap categories or graft we can use according to the location of OAC and OF. We'll be discussing some of these grafts in detail, but I am giving you the brief idea so you can say if anyone asks कि हाँ इस रीजन में है तो तुम कौन सा फ्लैप यूज़ करोगे या क्या करोगे या क्लोजर कैसे करोगे. So it's just a brief idea about all these. Okay. Now, what are the other technique for surgical closure of OAC and OF? Harvesting retromolar bone plus Rahman flap, Prolamin gel, acrylic splint, guided tissue regeneration we can use GTR, PRF that is platelet rich fibrin we can use, titanium dental implants, synthetic materials or metal, combination of an endoscopic and preoral BFP यानी buccal fat pad flap, distant flap can be used, autogenous bone graft and allogenous bone graft can be used. These are the other technique for the closure of OAC or OF other than the flaps or graft we have used. Okay, we can use these also depending on the type, situation and the site. Okay, I'm just giving a brief idea of all these. Okay, for the closure. Now coming to flaps. Now buccal flap, when it is used when there is minor defects, it function excellent and results are excellent of buccal flap and minimum morbidity. Okay, what are the example? Rahman buccal advancement flap, buccal transposition flap, Burgers flap, Moxear flap that is also known as buccal sliding flap, and Squadart's flap that is also known as transversal flap. These both Moxear and this flap is used in edentulous ridge. Okay, now coming to palatal flap, it is used in large defects, anteriorly base palatal flap, Ashley's palatal rotational advancement flap, straight advancement flap. Okay, these are palatal flap. Now buccal and palatal flap, bipedical flap, regional flap, tongue flap, buccal fat pad and random cheek flap. Okay, all these flaps, some of the flap I'll be discussing थोड़ा बहुत उसके बारे में नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू अ ब्रीफ आइडिया कि बकल फ्लैप में क्या होगा, पैलेटल फ्लैप में क्या होगा, और बक्कल एंड पैलेटल फ्लैप में कौन कौन से फ्लैप आते हैं एंड रीजनल फ्लैप में कौन कौन से फ्लैप होते हैं. तो दिस इज अ ब्रीफ आइडिया एंड दिस आर द मेन फ्लैप विच इज़ यूज इन OAC एंड OAF क्लोजर्स. ओके, रिमेंबर द नेम एटलीस्ट. Now distance flaps are temporalis myofascial flap. Now grafting and bone graft, या तो एलोप्लास्टिक मटेरियल यूज़ कर सकते हैं या ऑटोजेनस. ठीक है, दैट इज़ रेट्रोमोलर एरिया, zygomatic process and chin graft. When we use grafting, when defect is more than 5 mm, failure of conservative soft tissue closure, need for prosthetic reconstruction, and ensure the strength to the flap. On all these conditions, we use grafting. What are disadvantages? This is an additional surgical process. Okay, this is an additional surgical process. Okay, that's all for today. In next class, we will discussing some of the flaps in details. Okay, till then, like, subscribe and comment. Bye.